Hello friends, here is Manisha Tripathi. My channel name is Learn Word Knowledge with Manisha. In this video, we are going to discuss about some question which is related to the class 3rd of chapters Animal and their eating habits. So, all of you please subscribe my channel and let's start the quiz. Question number 1. Without plants, animal cannot. Your options: A. Survive, B. Grow, C. Develop, D. Involve. Your right answer is survive. Question number 2. Some animals help the plants to convey a seed away from parents plant by. Your options: A. Dispersal of seed, B. Fertilization of seed, C. Germination of seeds, D. Bursting of seeds. Your right answer is dispersal of seed. Question number 3. For reproduction, plant directly or indirectly depend on. Your options: A. Animals, B. Soil, C. Wood, D. Sap. Your right answer is animals. Question number 4. Animal which is being haunted by another animal is termed as. Your options: A. Hunter, B. Predator, C. Prey, D. Producer. Right answer is prey. Question number 5. The fruit which have hair-like structures and stick on fur of animals are. Your options: A. Mimosa, B. Buttock, C. Water animal, D. Melon. Your right answer is mimosa. Question number 6. A living thing can find in its habitat. Your options: A. Food, B. Shelter, C. Mates, D. All of them. Right answer is all of them. Question number 7. Animals that eat only meat are called. Your options: A. Omnivorous, B. Carnivorous, C. Herbivorous, D. None of these. Right answer is carnivorous. Question number 8. Animals that eat only plants are called. Your options: A. Carnivorous, B. Herbivorous, C. Omnivorous, D. None of these. Right answer is herbivorous. Question number 9. Animals that eat both plants and meat are called. Your options: A. Omnivorous, B. Carnivorous, C. Herbivorous, D. None of these. Right answer is omnivorous. Question number 10. What is the starting point of all food chains? Your options: A. Animals, B. Humans, C. Plants, D. Water. Right answer is plants. Question number 11. Which of the following animals is an herbivore? Your options: A. Lion, C. Tiger, C. Cow, D. All of the above. Right answer is cow. Question number 12. Which of the following animals is a carnivore? Your options: A. Deer, B. Rabbit, C. Snake, D. All of the above. Right answer is snake. Question number 13. Which of the following animals is a herbivore? Your options: A. Lion, B. Deer, C. Snake, D. All of the above. Right answer is deer. Question number 14. Which of the following animals are known to chew the cud? Your options: A. Lions, B. Tigers, C. Cows. D. All of the above. Right answer is cow. Question number 15. Which of the following animals are known to tear the flesh of other animals? Your options: A. Cows, B. Buffaloes, C. Lions, D. All of the above. Right answer is lions. Question number 16. Which of the following animals has a long and sticky tongue to catch insects? Your options: A. Snake, B. Lizard, C. Frog, D. Mosquito. Right answer is lizard. Question number 17. Which of the following animals swallow their food without chewing? Your options: A. Snake, B. Lizard, C. Frog, D. All of the above. Right answer is all of the above. Question number 18. Which animals swallow swell? Your options: A. Mosquito, B. Earthworm, C. Grasshoppers, D. Lizard. Right answer is earthworm. Question number 19. Animals like squirrel and rabbits dash the food. Your options: A. Swallow, B. Gnaw, C. Lap, D. Chewing. Right answer is gnaw. Question number 20. That swallow their whole food. Your options: A. Frog, B. Cow, C. Eagle, D. Lion. Right answer is frog.